Last few runners arriving at the start. Dangerous Age and Storm Lightning joining the others at the post. 7-2 the price for our favourite Royal Acquisition. 4-1 Dangerous Age, 9-2 Rocket Rob, 15-2 Boxing Shadows and Deepest Blue. It's 9-1 Storm Lightning, 14 Solemn, MJ Woodward, 25-1 Sure Contango and 33-1 Pick a Little. MJ Woodward's the first one to be loaded, going in ahead of Boxing Shadows. Royal Acquisition's on his toes down at the start. George Baker with his feet out of the irons. Just waiting to go forward in the white and blue Storm Lightning. Now Royal Acquisition's going forward, but handlers just having a few problems getting him to go towards the stalls. Still trying to get Royal Acquisition into the stalls. It's getting closer. So Royal Acquisition is in. Next group headed by Solemn and Deepest Blue. Storm Lightning going in. 4 more to go. So just 2 runners to go forward now at the 5 furlong start. Rocket Rob and Pick a Little. Rocket Rob going in first. And Pick a Little completes the lineup. They're set. And they're off for the download our iPhone app handicap. A little slow to stride Rocket Rob at the back of the field with Sure Contango, and Deepest Blue didn't get the best of starts. Up front, Royal Acquisition makes the running with the striped cap accompanied by the purple cap of Dangerous Age. Right there against the fence is MJ Woodward, and these are the 3 leaders. 2 lengths back to the blue headgear of Storm Lightning, the orange cap of Deepest Blue now making ground. Then Solemn in the yellow, green of Boxing Shadows, maroon and white of Rocket Rob. Off the bridle at the back, Pick a Little and Sure Contango. MJ Woodward bustled along to maintain the lead. Dangerous Age travels well with Royal Acquisition alongside, and then 3 wide in that chasing trio we have Storm Lightning, Deepest Blue next, then comes Solemn, and now MJ Woodward is being taken on by Dangerous Age, and towards the left coming there with the run is Storm Lightning, and Dangerous Age have joined and headed MJ Woodward inside the last furlong and a half. Rocket Rob running on, then comes Solemn, behind them Deepest Blue. Royal Acquisition's dropped out as if something's amiss, but it's Storm Lightning in the centre of the track from Rocket Rob finishing well over on the far side to come and join Dangerous Age for second, but Storm Lightning's hanging on, just holds the strong finishing Rocket Rob. Dangerous Age third, and then close Solemn, Deepest Blue. Behind them the weakening MJ Woodward, Boxing Shadows, Sure Contango, Pick a Little, and Royal Acquisition eased to be last to cross the line.
Photo finish, photo finish. Here is the result of the photo finish for first place. First, number 9, Storm Lightning. Second, number 1. Third, number 10. Fourth, number 2. The full result of the download our iPhone app handicap. First, number 9, Storm Lightning. Second, number 1, Rocket Rob. Third, number 10, Dangerous Age. And fourth, number 2, Solemn. The distances half a length and 1 length, half a length and 1 length. The winner's time 1 minute 01.66, 1 minute 01.66.